Good morning, Saints. Evangelism is about the ministry of reconciliation. Evangelism is not a church program or a suggestion. It is a divine assignment from God. Scripture tells us in 2 Corinthians 5:18 that God has given us the ministry of reconciliation. Now, this means we are called to be messengers of peace, bringing those far from God into restored relationship with Him through Jesus Christ. So, as ambassadors for Christ, we don't merely speak about God's love, we represent it also. Every conversation, every act of kindness, every gospel message we share is an invitation for someone to be made right with God. Now, the ministry is sacred because it reflects the very heart of the gospel. Reconciliation. That's what it's about. Jesus reconciled us to the Father through his death and resurrection, and now entrusts us with that same mission. We are not called to condemn the world, but to point it to the one who saves. When we walk in this calling of reconciliation, our lives preach louder than our words. Evangelism becomes more than a duty, it becomes joy, a reflection of the very love that found us and now flows through us. May you be blessed. Have a wonderful weekend. Shalom.